right? And then like this, so it's respecting the 21. I can add. So even if I got my 10%, and this is what I've talked about before, only for advanced traders, obviously, but here is why. Right? So it's down here. Let's say I shed, I'm on my last 10%, whatever it is. That's fine. It comes up to here, pulls back, it respects it, pulls back. I add. The reason is, and this is the beauty of it. Now, this is advanced only. Okay. Don't get all confused if you can't do it, if it freaks you out, if you're not experienced in 2-minute EWO, if you're not green every day, don't listen to this. This part isn't for you yet. This is where we add. If I add right here, the beauty of this one add is, well, guess what? If it breaks above the 21, I can get out. So this is why. If this is where I entered and this is my risk and it stays below the 21, all of this is my reward off the new one that I've added. Because if the new one that I added goes immediately against me, I'm out of the new one. I'm still holding the old one. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, coach.
Yes, coach.
That is the beauty of it. So when you see it respect this level, that's where I'll add. Just like right here. If this now starts to respect this 9, I can add. Now, right now, it is, just so you guys know, it is not below the 9. It is not respecting the 9 right here. It's respecting the 21, okay? So, and the reason is because all the candles keep popping up to the 21. I want to see it get back down into here. Then I could add again. Make sense? Yeah, if this starts to now fade and curl under the 9, you guys know you're super bearish. But otherwise, this is still respecting the 21 only. I hope you guys understand the difference there. I want it to be back below the 9, getting away from my 21, giving me that bearish setup again, okay?
And then you probably see the same thing, but for me, I wouldn't consider it a real curl back for like showing that it's weak to the downside until we get back over like the 241.75 area.
Yeah, I agree. And I'll be looking for that boot pattern, right? This isn't a boot, right?
Yep, not yet.
Yeah, I want to see it'll look like a big hook, right? Like it's coming back. Yeah, and honestly, I wouldn't even look at a reversal area till around 243. See it here?
At the top of the other one, yeah, the other hump.
Yep, because if you guys look at it here and here, so this time, and right, if you think about it too, it would have broke here, 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 major level spike. So you guys have all of this before I'd worry about my last one.